Hi everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. It's Eileen here, coming to you live from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Hello, hello, happy Friday everybody. Just hopping by quickly because I don't wanna miss my streak of go live every day and showing up. Kakatapos ko lang luto ng siomai, guys. Siomai. Nag-request si Habi ng siomai. So, gumawa ako with beef and shiitake mushroom and spinach. And in-steam ko sa air fryer. Okay naman siya. We're trying to lose weight, both of us, me and my husband. And so we're trying new recipes. So baka meron kayong alam na healthy recipe. Share nyo naman dyan sa comment section, guys. So wala lang, patulog na rin ako as usual. So the day went by so fast. Wala lang masyadong relax lang ako today. Walang appointment. So, I'm so happy. Buti na lang walang appointment kasi ang daming snow sa labas, guys. Snowy. Very, very snowy. Start na talaga siya. And, typically, marami na dapat na snow ngayon dito. Pero ngayon lang siya nag-i-snow. So, that's not bad. In our case. Ito lang sa inyo ang Christmas tree. Light up siya ngayon. So, ayun, busog ako, guys. Wreck ang aking diet today. But, the good thing is, hindi ako nagka-carbs masyado. Broccoli lang. Broccoli lang yung kinain ko na carbs ngayon. And puro meats lang siya. Also, I'm trying to lose weight and also trying to avoid carbs and meat as well. So, para gusto kong maging vegan na lang. Kasi I think that is really, really healthy. I find na mas effective akong pumayat and mas healthier sa akin. Yung high blood pressure ko bumaba siya, yung sugar level ko bumaba din. So, I really want to continue that because alam niyo na, hindi naman na tayo bumabata. So, yun. So, yun lang hinain ko. Puro karne-karne lang. Shout out to Sis Maita. Thank you for doing this weight loss journey with me. And congratulations on your YouTube channel about losing weight. Thanks for the idea. Let's see if I can do that too. Yes. So, wala lang. Show up lang ako ngayon, guys, bago matulog. Chill lang tayo today. I hope your week has gone by well. For me, busy sa mga appointments kasi may physio ako and osteopath and another physio yesterday. And tomorrow may another medical appointment ako Saturday. Kaya kailangan ko na matulog kasi medyo malayo siya. Like, probably 30 minutes. And now, it's snowy. So, medyo mahirap mag-drive. So, yun lang, guys. Kumusta yung araw nyo? I hope you guys are... what's your plan for the weekend, guys? Ako, plano kong mag-isip ng lulutuin kasi alam niyo na, Christmas season. Anong plano nyo? Kami usapan lang tayo ng ganito ngayon. Walang topic, guys. Every Christmas or what do you call this? New Year, meron kaming boodle fight. It's been like 9 years or 10 years na siguro kaming nagbo-boodle fight. With our friends and family. So, nakatoka sa akin ngayon ang fish and some vegetables. So, usually ako yung nagdadala ng lechon or lechon kawali, ganon. Pero dahil diet tayo, mag-fish na lang. So, yun ang aking dadalhin. Anong tawag doon? Yung share ko sa potluck na yon na boodle fight. Sorry. Anong handa nyo, guys? Ako nag-iisip talaga ako kasi anong ihahanda na healthy. So, yon. Tsaka ano lang, konti lang siguro. Kasi kami lang naman, 4 lang kami sa Christmas. So, ano lang siya, ang tawag dito, healthy lang. Yan. Kasi parang kinakabahan ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, kailangan mabawasan ako ng timbang, kaya lang holiday season na. So, alam mo na, maraming parties. Next week, start na ng mga parties. So, yun. So, if you have an idea of what healthy menu I could make for the holidays, let me know, guys. Anyway, yun lang. Ilang minutes ba ako dito? Yun lang ang aking chika today. Relax lang. It's a good day. Alam mo yun, nag-sleep in ako. I thought it was 8 or 9. Yung pala late na. But it was good. I always make sure that I have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. How about you guys? So, and I'm happy because I did all of my savers in the morning except exercise. Sorry. Yun lang. So, yun ang aking morning routine kanina. And okay naman. So, Merry Christmas, guys! Kagabi, kumain ng peanut butter. Nagpapak ako kaya nasira yung diet ko, guys. Masyado siyang matamis. So, anyway, Merry Christmas! Ano masasabi niyo sa Christmas tree ko, guys? May 2 akong dinagdag dyan. Every year, actually, binibuild ko yan. Most of it, I have it already. But I always add something pink every year. So, this year, ang inad ko is yung etong bulaklak na to. Yan, bago yan. And then, nag-add ako ng holy, pink na holy. Eto, nakikita niyo itong pink na holy dyan. Yan, bago yan. Hindi kailangan mamahalin, guys. Puro naka-sale lang yan sa Michaels. Pero yung bulaklak hindi siya nakasale. I was actually looking for more of that para mas maganda. Pero okay na yan. Dagdag every year. Hindi ako nagpapalit ng color. Meron ako mga ibang color before. Pero ayoko. Gusto kong magstay sa brand ko. Char. Ano pa ba? Yeah. So, I hope you guys like it, guys. Ayan, nakakaganda yung ano na yan, yung parang, I don't know, parang strings of pearls na yan. Marami akong ganyan, nakasale yan 2 years ago, I think. So, pag may nakasale na ganon, dun ako bumibili, guys. So, either malapit na yung Pasko, or pagkatapos ng Pasko. Kaya lang tira-tira na lang kasing natitira pagka Pasko na. Kaya dapat saktohan mo lang. Ayun. Anyway, alis na ako. Actually, nagluluto ako ng teriyaki pa. Yung ano lang, yung meat lang. Kasi bukas nga may appointment ako. So, kailangan nakaluto na ako ng lunch. And yeah, that's it, guys. Have a good weekend. Let me know what's your plan for the weekend. For me, just appointment nga. Yan. O siya, sige. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Happy Friday. Yan ang ating short another day, another chika with Coach Eileen. Parang kind of behind the scene nating ano lang, simple lang. Bye everybody. Good night. Thanks for watching.